Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to generate environment maps or environment texture using HDRI images, and also how to use them inside ThreejS. So firstly I will show you how to use them inside ThreejS. So first what I have done is that I am using Vite, and I have created a vanilla HTML, CSS and TypeScript project. So you can just run this particular command and create a project out of it. The next thing which I have done inside my package.json is I have installed this ThreeJS dependency. So just install npm install 3, and I have also installed this types for ThreeJS so that it can help me inside my TypeScript file. Then inside index.html I have created one canvas with id of canvas, style position is fixed, top left is 0, outline is none, and here I have added one TypeScript file to our HTML. Now inside this TypeScript file these are all the imports, so if you want you can just copy paste all these imports. And firstly we are getting hold of our canvas using the document.getElementById. Then we are creating one scene out of it. Now to load environment maps you have to make use of cube texture loader, and with the help of cube texture loader .load I will show you how exactly I have generated this file later on. But for now what I have done is that inside the public folder inside textures I have taken this environment maps, and inside it has a folder called 0, and it has all this file nx, ny, it means negative x, negative y, negative z, positive x, positive y and positive z. So here we have to pass all these files. I will show you later on how exactly are these files generated. Then I have created one mesh standard material. I have given it some metalness as well as roughness. Then we are using that environment map to assign the environment map texture to our mesh standard material. Then I have just created three mesh. One is the sphere mesh, plane as well as torus, and then I have just added it to our scene. Then I have created one size variable like we are taking the entire width and height of our screen. Then I have created one perspective camera. I have added it to our scene. Then orbital control is just for normal rotation, translation, that's why I have added this controls. If you don't want you can ignore this. Then I have created one WebGL renderer and I am passing canvas through it. Then I am setting the size for our renderer. Once resize, like if you try to change the width or height of your browser, then this should automatically update our camera as well as our renderer. That's why inside resize I have written this particular code. Also for double click, whenever user double clicks on the browser it should like exit or enter full screen. So that's what this code is all about. And here I have just created one clock, and inside the tick function we are just animating our sphere, but if you want you can animate the plane and torus as well. And here we are just updating our control as well as rendering it again, and inside every request frame animation we are just calling the tick function. So that's it. So this is the output for it. Now how to generate an environment map using texture. So for that to get a sample textures I went to polyhaven.com. Here they have free textures, but if you are using in production purposes do check their licenses. And here I can just take this particular texture. Okay, make sure the format is HDR, not EXR, HDR, and select whatever size you feel comfortable in. I will just keep it as 1K. I'll click on download. It has downloaded it. Then I will go to this particular website, macOS, not sure, .github.com/hdr2cubemap. I'll just refresh this because this is my tutorial. So you should see something like this. You have to click on the upload HDRI button. Inside your downloads you can select the HDRI file which we have just downloaded. So it was this one. I'll just click on open, and then you will have to go here. You can change the exposure to whatever you feel like. I'll just keep it as default, and then I'll just select on cube map view. Then I'll just click on save, and here we have to select this particular pattern, the last one, and just click on process. So it will give the negative x, negative y, negative x, positive x, positive y, negative x, negative y, negative, positive z, and just click on save. So it has downloaded this for us. then I can just go to my downloads folder. I will just quickly extract this standard cube mesh one. Okay, I'll open this, and here you can see it has created all this file for us. So what I'll do, I'll just copy paste this file and I will just drag and drop inside the 0 folder. Now the original files which I have were in JPEG format, so it won't override because these files are in PNG format. So I'll just do this, and I'll quickly, here I will have to change to PNG. So I'll do change all this stuff. Okay, I'll save, and if I go to my website, and here you can see it has been changed to what we had. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can use environment maps or environment texture with ThreejS. Thank you for watching. Bye.